All right, so for this stroke, I'm going to push my heels into the bench and just kind of tuck my tailbone slightly off the ground. I'm going to take a deep breath in, nod my chin up. Exhale, just slightly nod my chin down. Again, not raising my neck or my head off of this bolster here. We're going to do the same thing again. Inhale, nod chin up. Exhale, nod chin down. Inhale, nod chin up. Exhale, nod chin down, keeping hamstring